Now let's check Mexico. I just put it over here, the Mexico. Okay, now let's check. I'm running. You can see right now Mexico also came. Right? So in means inside of that means country is the one column. In that country, we have UK, we have France, we have Mexico. Show me that. Right? That I'm writing. Perfect. This is exactly. Now after that we have to the between. Between means what? The range, right? The between operator select a value within a given range, right? The values can be a number, text, or a dates also. The between operator is the includes. Begin and end values are the included. The percentage sign percentage represent the 0, 1 or a multiple character. Okay, now we are using select star from product where a price between the 10 to 20 between, right? Means I want to use the something between. We can do that. Now see what we are doing over here. We are going select star from customer where not customer, we need to take another that one another where is the prices we have, where is the prices we have, let me close this products, right? We have to the products. Okay, products where, okay, now see where price between what 10 and the 20 means 10 to 20. Let's check, we have to the price already 10 to 20. Let's select and then run. You can see, are you getting? So like that, we can check between means a range. We can put a proper range. Select start from product. Product is my table name. You can see product is my table name, and inside I have the column. That column name is what? Price. You can see there is a column name is what? Price. And I'm checking that how many prices is starting from 10 and to the 20 means between that. Are you getting? So like that. Okay. After we have to the aliases. Okay, aliases means what? Simply, we are giving as a temporary my column name. That is called aliases. Aliases is depend upon. Okay, so you can call anything, but aliases or aliases maybe we can pronounce that. Okay, ah, aliases. Now let's go. We can write that. Select start from product. Okay, we are writing something different. Okay, select start from product. There is no any problem. But I want to use the something name. Select start from. Okay, we can do that. Select. We are selecting. Suppose let's select something. Suppose every we are using only the one because we have to the habit in this table customer. Okay, we are going to the customer. So we are writing over here select not start. We are writing what? We are writing what? Okay. So where we are, sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Select. Suppose I want to check the columns. Okay. We have to the customer. Inside of the customer, what we have? City we have. Okay. Let's do the city. Okay. City as a temporary. I want to make as a what? Like a ABC. Okay. I want to do the ABC. And right now, from where from? My data, my table name is what? Customers. Okay. Now see what I change. I only change my city. I have this city as the one column that I change into the what? As a ABC. Let's check. I'm selecting everything and I want to run. Okay. Now see. Is it changed? Are you getting? Means I have the data as it is, but the problem is what? I change that things. You can see data as it is. Just I change the name my tab my column temporary only. Temporary only. Nickname. Ha, we can say the nickname also temporary. But when we are refreshing, it will be no anymore over there. Okay. So like that, that is called aliases or aliases. Okay. After that, it's coming to the what? Your joins. Okay. Before that,